But I think that should do it. So we've got the Dyna, Street Bob, the FZ07, the XSR 700, the DRZ, and the Honda Grom. And we're gonna try to jump from the very top all the way over. I'm not super thrilled about landing on concrete, but you know, I grew up skateboarding and I used to land on concrete all the time, so we should be okay. Hey, buenos dias, que onda, que paso, amigos? Welcome back to the channel, John's Moto Garage. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to show you my raddest, my gnarliest, my craziest stunt ever to be done here on John's Moto Garage. Now, the reason behind this stunt, the inspiration, is actually all because of you guys. I have to say a huge shout out and thank you so much. If you don't know already, my wife Jackie officially launched her own YouTube channel yesterday, Jackie's Moto Garage. And I did a video inviting you guys to go check it out, and I always knew I was dealing with some super rad people here on John's Moto Garage, but honestly, Jackie and I never could have expected the amount of support and encouragement that she received. I mean, it took me like 4 months to get to a couple hundred subscribers, and she within 24 hours already hit 300. Mia, what's up? What are you doing? And honestly, it's not about the number, but it's the people behind that, the fact that you guys are going over there supporting her, showing her encouragement, and it's awesome. We're super grateful that we're able to be part of such a cool community. So huge shout out and thank you to all of you guys. Anyway, as you know, here on John's Moto Garage, I always like to try out new things, to challenge, to push myself, and to do stupid stunts. And I thought, how can I give back to you guys and show you our appreciation? And what better idea than to do a stupid stunt and try something out. So the idea that I had, and this is what we're gonna try, we're gonna take all the motorcycles here, and I did a video a while back where I did a flip off the corner of the roof over one motorcycle. I was thinking today I could do a flip off the very top of the roof over every single one of my motorcycles. It will hands down be the gnarliest stunt that I've ever done, and I think Jackie will be thrilled for sure to see me trying this. And what a great way to show our appreciation, or at least show my appreciation for you guys. I worked last night and have to go to work tonight, so I'm a little bit sleep deprived. I may be a little bit in a delirious state, if you will, but I think everything will be okay. Yeah, I think this will work just perfect. Oh, we got the beautiful DRZ, XSR. But I think that should do it. So we've got the Dyna, Street Bob, the FZ07, the XSR 700, the DRZ, and the Honda Grom. And we're gonna try to jump from the very top all the way over. I'm not super thrilled about landing on concrete, but you know, I grew up skateboarding and I used to land on concrete all the time, so we should be okay. I cannot think of like any scenario where this doesn't pan out. So about 14 feet plus or minus. That's not even really that bad, right? Should I go with just a basic straight up jump, or should I try to send it with like a 180 flip? 180 flips are nice because you can spot your landing and you can make sure you're clearing it. Or should we try the ultimate gainer, the running gainer backflip off of it? I don't know. Let me jump up on the roof and see how she looks from up top.
I am seriously just blown away by how many people have subscribed and commented and all the support for Jackie's Moto Garage. It's nuts. That's so cool. I did not expect that.
All right, I think I'm ready to go. I just need to get Jackie and have her come out here and film it, and we should be all set.
Hold on.
Hey, Jackie, what's up?
Hey.
Hey, what are you doing?
I was just looking at all the cool comments and stuff on my channel.
Yeah, can you believe how many people are supporting Jackie's Moto Garage? It took me like months to just get up to a couple hundred subscribers. You did it in 24 hours. That's crazy. Speaking of which, I'm actually out here prepping to do a stunt kind of to show my gratitude and appreciation for all the support that that everybody's giving you. So could you come outside real quick and help me out with this? I need a filmer.
All right, okay, I'm gonna hang up. What the heck is John doing?
Cool, Jackie's on her way, so it shouldn't be too much longer, you guys, and we'll get this stunt underway.
Where are you? What are you doing?
Jackie, what's up? Hey. So, you remember the time I jumped off the roof over one motorcycle?
Yeah, I remember.
Today we could jump off the roof over all the motorcycles, and I had to give myself a little extra space. So I'm right over there, and I'm thinking either gator.
Why do you have to jump over the motorcycles? I don't get it.
It's just part of that's like part of being rad, you know what I mean?
Is being rad breaking your legs, or I don't understand?
No, you don't have to break your legs. I mean, you do a soft tuck and a roll, and you land. It's like a cat.
I don't want to take over your channel too.
So what are you saying? What do you propose then? What do I do?
There's better options, John.
Gosh dang it. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I try to risk it and flip over all the motorcycles, or is Jackie right? Am I too old for these dang stunts? That does look kind of high now that I look at it.
Yeah, it's pretty high.
And I don't think my ankles can handle this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Alright, so, well, I guess that's a plus. Gosh dang it, Jackie.
Who did I marry?
Agua Fiesta is what they say in Spanish for party pooper. Alright, I'm gonna have to revise and replan. If I can't jump off the roof over the motorcycles, I do have a backup plan. Try to jump over a motorcycle on my bicycle. But now that I look at it, I don't even know if I can bunny hop over this bike. Bike here. Doesn't look too bad. That's enough warm up. I feel like I clipped it. Did I clip it?
I couldn't see from this screen. I think you did it.
Are you guys there? You go, John's Motor Garage. I know, stupid skit. I was never actually gonna jump off the roof. My knees are getting way too old for that. But yeah, thanks a bunch, honestly, for all the support. We really do appreciate it. And Jack and I both were blown away. Couldn't believe it. So you guys are awesome. You guys are rad. John's Motor Garage, Jackie's Motor Garage. Thanks for all the support. Like and subscribe if you dig it. Dude, we're in the middle of a video, man. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Adios, nos vemos.